everyone, welcome to today's workout. I'm really glad to see you guys again. We are doing an ab circuit. There are 12 separate moves with 30 seconds of work and 10 seconds of rest, just to give that little break between moves and to allow you to get into position. You can opt to use a dumbbell for moves like the Russian twist, but if you don't use it, that's absolutely fine. So something to point out is if you're doing a Russian twist, you don't need to have your legs up. If you want to reduce the intensity, you can have your feet down. For the high boat to low boat, if you're doing that move and you find that a struggle, you can place your hands on the floor. There are different moves that you can add certain regressions into. It is really key to make sure that that core strength maintained at all times and that you're really focusing on those deep core muscles to make sure that you're engaging them effectively and safely and not causing external injury at any point. But other than that, let's get going.
Lost my best friend to 23. She left her body and hovered above me. Best friend to 23. I heard the heavens crying above me. They gained an angel, I lost a friend. I felt like dying again and again. I went through hell instead of death, but I keep fighting with each living breath. I saw no way out from where I stood. Felt like the fire had burned me through. Now you're gone, I'm alone. I guess it's time to get better. Through the pain, I will go alone. If I fall, break my bones, I will scream even louder. 'Cause I'm not dying alone. I lost my best friend. Close till I get up. Time is barely on our side. I don't wanna waste what's left. The storms we chase are leading us, and love is all we'll ever trust. Yeah, no, I don't wanna waste what's left. And on we'll go. wastelands, through the highways, and on we'll go. Through the highways, till my shadow turns to sun rays, and on we'll go. Through the wastelands, through the highways, and on we'll go. Turn us to thousands, and we'll grow in number, fueled by them to see the horizon. Turn us to thousands, and on we'll go. Through the wastelands, through the highways, till my shadow turns to sun rays, and on we'll go.
She burns the bridges in my head by lighting up a fire. Bury my old thoughts instead so you could feel the same. I lay alone with you inside my mind. We would dance the night away to the morning light. Can I give you all of my love till we dance the night away? Can I give you all of my love till we dance the night away? And we give you all my love, all my love, all my love. And we give you all my love, all my love, all my love. Yeah, yeah. And we give you in my mind. Missing the fights, I don't care if I'm right. Let's just buy a bit more time. I live alone with you inside my mind. We would dance the night away till the morning light. Can I give you all of my love till we dance the night away? Can I give you all of my love till we dance the night away? And we give you all my love, all my love, all my love. And we give you all my love, all my love, all my love. Yeah, yeah.
see that it's a lie, 'cause we always give it one last try. Yeah, you've watched me break 1,000 times. Now I'm all alone, 'cause you never show. You say you will, but then you don't. That's how it goes. Don't wanna know. I'm turning off my mind so I get by. I just wanna be happy, happy tonight. In the morning, I'ma leave without giving a warning. I'ma leave without giving a. But every time we say goodbye, we all know that it's a lie. Now I'm all alone, 'cause you never show. You say you will, but then you don't. That's how it goes. Don't wanna know. Turning off my mind so I get by. I just wanna be happy, happy tonight. Happier tonight. Happier tonight. Can't be waiting for you in the morning. I'ma leave without giving a warning. I'ma leave without giving a. But every
so much for joining me on today's workout. I really hope you enjoyed this one. If you haven't already, do subscribe to this channel. There is a button just below this video which you can click on, and then obviously you can hit that notification bell which is just to the side of it, so that you are aware of all the workouts that are coming out every Tuesday and every Friday. But for me, it's bye for now.